Hello children, today in mathematics for standard 4 we are going to continue with lesson number 2, number work. Place and place value. Now what do you understand by place? Place means a position of the numbers and place value means the value or worth of that particular number. For example, a number is given to us 12,543. So first we write the place of it. Suppose a number 2 is in the thousands place. So the place is thousands and the place value is 2000. 4. The place is tens and the place value is 40. Write the place and place value of the underlined number. For example, 15,782. First we'll write the place and the number 7 is underlined over here. So first we begin from the units place. 2 is in the units place. 8 is in the tens place. 7 is in the hundreds place. 5 is in the thousands place. And 1 is in the 10,000s place. But we have to write the place and place value of the underlined number, that is 7. So place of 7 is hundreds and place value of 7 is 700. Write the place and place value of the underlined number. Now we'll solve an exercise and understand the concept more in detail. 13,146. Here 3 is underlined. So you have to write the place and place value of that. So 3 is in the thousands place and the place value is 3000. 10,545. Your 4 is underlined. So 4 is in the tens place and 40 is the place value of that. 17,689. 9 is underlined over here. So 9 is in the units place and the place value is 9 itself. 12,708. Your 1 is underlined. So 1 is in 10,000s place and the place value is 10,000. We'll see one more example. 11,850. Your 8 is underlined. So 8 is in the hundreds place and the place value is 800. Now we shall learn what is expanded form. Expanded form means the sum of the digits. For example, 14,972. So the place is given where 1 is in 10,000s place, 4 is in 4,000s place, 9 is in hundreds place, 7 is in tens place and 2 is in units place. So how do we write the expanded form of this number 14,972? We start with 1, that is 10,000, then the next number, that is 4 plus 4,000, the next number is 9, so plus 900 plus 70 plus 2. So you have to see the place and according to that you have to write the expanded form of the given number. And how to write the number? For example, here they have given us 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 0 plus 40 plus 9. So you have to see the first digit of all the numbers which are given to you and you have to add it. So you will get the number 15,049. Write the expanded form. Let's solve an exercise. 15,841. The expanded form will be 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 1. We'll see one more. Sum 16,207. So the expanded form will be 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 200 plus 0 plus 7. Write the number from expanded form. 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 3. So the number will be 11,523. We'll see one more sum. 10,000 plus 4,000 plus 900 plus 0 plus 5. So the number will be 14,905. Now what is ascending order? Ascending order means going up. That is, it means ordering the numbers from smallest to biggest numbers. For example, 5,681, 2,710, 8,340. So the ascending order will be smallest to biggest. So the smallest is 2,710, 5,681 and the biggest is 8,340. Descending order means coming down. It means ordering the numbers from biggest to smallest number. So for example, 5,681, 2,710, 8,340 is given to us. So we start from the biggest number. So the biggest number over here is 8,340. Then the next will be 5,681 and the smallest will be 2,710. Ascending and descending order. If the number have equal number, both are 5 digit. Compare and see which is the biggest and the smallest. For example, write the ascending and descending order of the following numbers. Here a set of numbers is given to us: 10,100, 10,005, 10,550. So first we have to write the ascending order. So if we see the first two digits, both are 10. In all the 3 set of numbers. So we go to the third place. So according to that we'll write the ascending order first. So 10,005 will come first, then 10,100 and the biggest is 10,550. Now the same number we have to write the descending order. So biggest to smallest, 10,550, then 10,100 and 10,005. We'll see one more sum. 12,642, 12,000 and 12,899. So first we have to write the ascending order, smallest to biggest. 12,000 will be first, that is smallest number, then 12,642 and then 12,899. The descending order will be biggest to smallest. 12,899, 12,642 and 12,000 is the smallest number. Even and odd numbers. Now what are even numbers? When the numbers end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we say they are even numbers, that is in the units place. And when the numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the units place, we say they are odd numbers. To identify if the number is even or odd, see the digit in the units place of the number. For example, 2,409. Now 9 is in the units place. So 9 is an odd number. So the full number, that is 2409, will be a odd number. 10,316. Here 6 is in the units place and 6 is a even number. So the full number, that is 10,316, will be a even number. Look at the numbers and say whether the number is even or odd. Now here a few set of numbers is given to us and we have to tell which is a even number and which is a odd number. So first one, 7,866. Yes, it is a even number. 10,720. It is ending with 0. So it's also a even number. 5,901. It's an odd number. 11,504. Even number. 8,329. Odd number. And 14,237 is also an odd number. Now we shall learn about the formation of numbers using the given digits. A figure is given and few digits are given to us. Using these digits we have to form 4-digit numbers, but we have to use the digit only once. So 5,283, 2,835, 8,352, 3,528, 5,832 and many more numbers can be formed, but you have to use the digit only once and you have to form 4-digit numbers. One more figure is given to us. Using each of the given digits, form 3 5-digit numbers. So you have to form only 3 5-digit numbers using the given digits. So 13,524, 14,253 and 12,345 are the numbers which we have formed. Formation of numbers. Write the biggest and smallest number that can be formed using the digits. Now again few digits are given to us and keeping these digits in mind we have to form the biggest number. So here when you see 5 is the biggest number, then the next number after that it will be, which will be the biggest number, 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. So our number will be 54,321 and smallest number you have to start from the smallest number, that is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. So 12,345. Keeping 2 in the units place, use all the digits like 72160 to make 2 5-digit numbers. So 2 has to be in the units place and you have to use these digits which are given to us and form 2 5-digit numbers. So it can be 71,602, 60,172. Now we go to the next concept, that is international numerals. Now earlier numerals were written in different scripts, but when the currency notes were used, the numbers were written in different languages. It would be very difficult for people from other countries. Suppose in India, if they would come to visit India, it would be very difficult for them to understand which numbers is written. So all the countries of the world, they agreed that the values of the currency notes and the serial numbers should be printed in English. And because of that, this international numbers were used, which we use today, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So earlier the numerals were written in Devanagari numerals, but then as everyone should understand, they started, and everyone were familiar with the international numbers, so they started using the international numbers. Hope you all have understood all the concepts. and enjoyed watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.